Subject General Science. Standard 7, Lesson number 1, The Living World, Adaptations and Classifications. Students, before this we learned adaptations in plants, different types of plants. Today we are going to learn adaptation in animals. Make a list of animals in your surroundings. Compare the diversity of animals listed by your friends. With your list, discuss the habitats, food habits, characteristic of body structure like vertebral column, wing, gills, tails, etc. and prepare a chart. What differences do you see between terrestrial and aquatic animals? Terrestrial animals means those animals which are living on land, and aquatic animal means those animals which are living in the water. Therefore, they have much difference between their body structure and shape, also habitats. Let us see some differences as compared to you. Terrestrial animals, the skin and body shape of aquatic animals appear to have undergone changes. Fishes have scales on the skin and fins on the body. Their body tapers towards both its ends like a spindle. Fish breathe with gills instead of a nose. Their eyes have transparent eyelids. They have air bladders within the body to help them to float. Observe the bodies of the frog, duck and tortoise. First question. Of what use are their legs to these animals? Frog and duck have webbed toes that helps them to swim in water. Second, what helps frogs to breathe underwater? Frogs breathe with their skin underwater. Of what use are long hind legs of a frog? When they were on the land, frog use their hind legs for jumping. Why doesn't a duck get wet in water? Duck have waxy coating on the feathers. Water flows off from the waxy layer of feathers and thus duck does not get wet even in water. See, frog and duck have webbed toes. Like this, webbed toes. They can use their legs like oars. Water flows off the waxy feathers of birds like duck and water hen. Webbed toes, slippery smooth skin and triangular head help frogs to swim easily through water. They can live on land as well as in water due to their ability to breathe through the skin in water and using the nose and lungs on land. The typical colors of frogs' back help it to hide among grasses. Make a list of the names of some other amphibians. Do you know and study the adaptations. See, amphibians means which animal can live also land on the in the water also. See, frogs have adaptation to live on land also and water also. On land, they breathe using lungs and in water, they breathe through the skin. Adaptation in forest and grassland animals. Carnivorous animals like the wild dog, fox, tiger and lion have strong legs to run fast and capture their prey. So what is the meaning of carnivorous animals? The carnivorous animals hunt and eat the flesh of their prey. They have claws and their canine teeth are sharp and pointed. What is the function of such teeth? Claws means what? The meaning of claws is a sharp pointed nails. And canine teeth, they also sharp and pointed. This teeth helps to these animals to tear the flesh of the other animal. See the next animal, tiger. Tiger have padded paws. This enable them to silently stalk their prey and capture it easily. The eyes of predatory carnivores are located in the front of their head. It helps them to spot their prey from a long distance. Thus, these carnivorous animals provided such a type of adaptation that they can easily catch the prey. Let us see herbivorous animals. Adaptation in herbivorous animal. Herbivorous means those animals feed only on plant matter, leaves, fruit, etc. Grass. On the other side of the head, this gives them wide angle vision which helps to protect them from predators. See, their legs are long and tapering with the strong hooves. See, these are hooves which enable them to run fast, taking long leaps. Their long and freely moving ear can receive sound from long distances and different directions. Deer and blackbucks have colors that merge with their surroundings. Their teeth are strong for chewing tough plant material. Thus, the herbivorous animals provided with such a type of adaptations which helps them to protect them from the predators like wild animals, which are the carnivorous. Okay, carnivorous, they are eating the flesh of herbivorous animals. Adaptation in desert animals. Deserts are characterized by severe scarcity of water. Hence, desert animals have a thick skin to prevent loss of water from the body. Their legs are long with flat and cushioned soles. The nostrils are protected by folds of skin. The eyelashes are strong and thick. See, in desert, there is scarcity of water. There is very less water. Therefore, these desert animals provided such a type of adaptations. They have thick skin that prevents water loss from the body also and heat of the sun also. The legs are long with flat cushioned soles. The nostrils are protected by folds of skin. Okay. Rats, snakes, spider, lizard in desert have in deep burrows. During daytime are active at night. Why it is so? Because in the day, during the daytime, there is very hot temperature and at night the temperature is less. Therefore, they active at night.